What part of the machine learning activities do you hate the most? As per one of the surveys, 76% of the machine learning engineers hate cleaning and organizing the data. Now, on an average, how much percentage of time do you think an ML engineer in the real time spends on cleaning and organizing the data? You think it is 10, 20, 30%? Oh, you're too far. It's as much as 60 to 70% of a typical machine learning project's time is gone in cleaning and organizing the data. Today, in machine learning, AI, data science, these are the jargons, it have become very fashion in IT world. Everyone starting from CEOs, IT heads, software engineers, they all want to talk about these jargons. Some of the tech geeks like us want to learn them out and test the waters to see if the machine learning is their cup of tea. I'm going to cover some of the machine learning concepts, including data analysis, cleaning, as well as algorithms in a very practical way using more practical data sets. So stay tuned to this channel. There will be more interesting videos coming up on your way on your favorite topics. Definitely help you to become better machine learning engineers in a very practical approach. Also, please write some comments below so that I would understand what type of videos you're looking for. Thank you very much and see you soon.